In this guide, I'll show you several ways to fix the taskbar if it's missing or not showing in Windows 11. This issue can be frustrating because it prevents you from quickly accessing your apps, the Start menu, and other important features. Follow along with each method until the problem is resolved. The first thing to check is whether the taskbar is simply hidden. Move your mouse cursor to the bottom edge of the screen and see if the taskbar appears. If it does, the Auto Hide feature is likely enabled. To disable Auto Hide, press Windows + I to open Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Personalization, then scroll down and click Taskbar. Expand Taskbar Behaviors and uncheck Automatically Hide the taskbar. Once disabled, the taskbar should remain visible at all times. If the taskbar is still missing, the next step is to restart Windows Explorer. Press Windows + E to open File Explorer, then press Ctrl + Alt + Delete and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list of processes, select it, and click Restart Task in the top right corner. This refreshes the Windows interface and often restores the taskbar immediately. If that doesn't solve the issue, try restarting your computer. You can do this by pressing the physical power button on your PC or by pressing Ctrl + Alt + Delete, clicking the power icon in the bottom right corner, and selecting Restart. After your system reboots, check whether the taskbar has returned. One of these methods should help bring back the missing taskbar and get Windows 11 working normally again. If this guide helped you fix the problem, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting.